Lori Fangio with Around the Table, and I'm a food blogger and a chef instructor. And today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make a fruit tart without a tart pan. So let's get started. I'm in the kitchen and I have a store-bought pie crust. I have some Granny Smith apples that have been chopped, peeled and chopped. I have some cinnamon and brown sugar. So all you're going to do is just unroll your pie crust. My apples, like I said, have been peeled and chopped. And all I'm going to do is just pile these right in the center. And you know, this tart is going to be delicious. It's not going to be the same kind of tart if you have a tart pan. This is going to be a little more rustic. And one of the things I like about it is it's just great for a casual dinner. You know, when you're feeding your family at night, sometimes it's nice to have a little sweet finish. And there's something really wholesome about an apple tart. You know, all of this fresh fruit. Now you want to pile it kind of high like this because when this cooks, it's going to bake down and kind of fall a little bit. And so really all we're going to do is sprinkle this with lots and lots of cinnamon because this is what's going to give it its flavor. You can use any kind of apple really that holds up well in baking. So I like to use Granny Smith's. You can use McIntosh apples. But you want to give it lots of sugar because Granny Smith is a pretty tart apple. So lots of cinnamon and for flavor and lots of sugar. And you can see I'm just kind of piling it in the center. And all we're going to do to finish this off is just fold the crust up like this all the way around the edges. And I like to kind of fold it and sort of pleat it like this. Once the crust is all folded up around the apples, to it. So we're going to put it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until the fruit is all soft. And again, I'm Lori Fangio, and we've been in the kitchen today making a delicious fruit tart without a tart pan. See you next time.